often have you asked a question or tried to have a conversation with a student and they give you that one word answer like yes, no, ball, basketball, and you really want to just drag out of the student a nice long sentence that really expresses his idea? From words to sentences, we'll aid students in this concept of making the full sentences. We'll teach them how to build onto a sentence and make their sentences longer and more complex. One way that I like to encourage students to use a complete sentence is through finger counting. Finger counting is an easy way for students to see the words as they say them, and if they miss a word, they can see what word they missed. It's a visual to help the students remember. So if the student should be saying, is it a ball? And maybe the student says, is it ball? You can point and let the student know where the word is missing. Is it a ball? And then encourage the student to repeat the sentence using each word. I also like to use a whiteboard with the sentence written on it to help them see each of the words in the order that they belong. When the sentences get longer, this is a really helpful tool. Then I can help support the student in reading the sentence or the question. Is it a blue and red ball? Now, to help the student remember this question and to remember how to ask it or answer a question, I can choose to erase one word. This is a game students really enjoy and gets them saying the sentence many times to help set it in their memory. Draw a line to show that a word is missing and have the student read the question. Is it a blue and red ball? Good job! Erase another word. Good job! By giving this method, the student can see the words that are supposed to be there and know there is a word in each space. And the student has read the sentence so many times, by the time they get here, they know the sentence and they don't need the words anymore. Sometimes students just need a little TPR to remind them that they should be making a full sentence. For example, you might ask the student, "What is it?" And the student says, "A doll." Yes, it's a doll. Maybe you want more words. It's a blue doll. Good job, good job. If the student answers a question using a small sentence, but we want to increase the length of the sentence and make them longer and more complex, you might use a prop to help the student. You might ask, "What is it?" And the student says, "It's a ball." What is it? Good job. It's a red and blue ball. These are just a few of the ways that I like to encourage my students to have complete sentences throughout the class. I use finger counting, TPR, props, and a whiteboard.